Satan want to cause pain on in your body? Why will Satan want to cause pain on your children? Why will Satan want to cause pain on whatever you do? Satan will want to cause pain in you so that you can curse your God. Praise be the name of God. So that you can curse your God. When your life is so painful, you run away from this man and you call him names. When you call him names, you have cursed God. He was formed. The Bible says in the book of Genesis, let the person like us. So you are an enemy. When I abuse you, I don't abuse Consolata. I will abuse the spirit behind Consolata. And the spirit behind Consolata is God himself. Praise be the name of God. When you accuse somebody, you don't accuse that body. You accuse the spirit behind the body. And the spirit behind the body is God. So when you face the challenges, don't run away. Walk with the challenges, because it is not you who is being challenged. It is the spirit that is in you that is being challenged. And when the spirit that is in you that is being challenged, let it fight for itself, because it contains the will of God. And allow God. If they ask you to sit down, just sit down. If they tell you stand up, just stand up. If they tell you to walk, just walk. If you tell you to do, just do it. And tell God, if this is your will, let it be done. Let me finish with this one. The rest I will remind me on Sunday not to deviate. Na msiniletee zile vitu sarakasi mnanileteanga za kunibadilisha. Now remind me. Remind me, Pastor. Yeah, you remind me. Then we finish this. Nimepata kwenye point ya 3. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Why? Satan's always intention is to cause pain and overthrow your faith. That is, we are heading there. His aim is to overthrow the faith you have for your God. To remove that faith that is in you. So I want person or people who are strong and who knows their God. And who knows the purpose of their God. If you know the purpose, your purpose, you will know God. And when you know God, you know why and the reason you are here. And therefore, nobody will rise against you, because you will be able to triumph over snakes and scorpions, and they will not hurt you. You will be able to stand against any weapon, the fashion that against you, because it is the will of God for you to go through so that you can become an achiever. And when you become an achiever, you become victorious. And when you become victorious, you become a son of God. Somebody rise up. So trials bring sonship. Trials are supposed to bring sonship in our lives. When you are tried and completely you go through, you become a son. And when you become a son, you become protected by the Father. Because a father will protect his own child. That is the responsibility of a father. You cannot touch my son or my daughter when I'm looking. So therefore, if you surrender yourself and become that son of God, that son of God will never forsake you, nor will never leave you, because he will walk with you. Praise be the name of God. I know we are here, we are facing this challenge. And in one way or the other one, we have a